Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to the upscale and residential community of Smokey Vale, Kingston 8. Here you'll find this beautiful two-story, four-bedroom, five-bathroom home for sale. The living space of this house is approximately 6,022 square feet. You will first be greeted by a double swing electronic gate hinge and concrete columns, leading to a remote control garage with concrete paved driveway and walkway. On the ground floor, there is a patio, living room, dining room, kitchen cupboards, and maze eating counter. One bedroom, one bathroom helper's quarters, powder room, storeroom, and laundry. Via the tiled stairwell with mild steel bar and timber handrail, you will find a family room, study, master bedroom, ensuite with patio, two bedrooms and two bathrooms. This property sits on 17,886 square feet. Enjoy the scenic views of the city while sitting on the balcony for your early morning tea or late night wine. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 68 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.